office in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Union, Shelby, Miami, Southeastern Mercer, Logan, Northern Dark, Northwestern Clark, Champaign, Southwestern Auglaize, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:20 a.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Jackson Center to Newbern to Union City, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Storm hazards include destructive winds to 80 miles an hour, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, very heavy rain which may cause minor flooding. Locations impacted include Russell's Point, Greenville, Bradford, DeGrasse, Piqua, Covington, Bellefontaine, St. Paris, West Liberty, Pleasant Hill, Troy, Urbana, West Milton, North Lewisburg, Tip City. In addition, Bloomer, Lockington, Polo, Pemberton, Lewistown, Horatio, Logansville, Plattsville, Quincy, McMorran, Huntsville, Gettysburg, Ballou, Carysville, and Rosewood are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following interstate: Interstate 75 between mile marker 66 and 104. Abandon mobile homes and vehicles for more substantial shelter. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor and avoid windows. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant damage to property. Tornadoes can develop suddenly in these conditions. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.